On step 3, we'll begin the process of ordering packages with the subject's photographs. Select the image files we'll use in the software by navigating to the folder location and then click OK. Thumbnails of each photograph will be displayed here. Double-click the first image and assign the package letter the subject has ordered by selecting the package from the pull-down menu or simply inputting the package letter. We'll order one package A. The items included in our package A are listed here. Place our mouse cursor inside the blue crop box. A four-headed arrow will be displayed. Hold down the mouse button and drag to reposition the crop box for how the image is to be printed. To tighten the crop on the photo, place the mouse cursor on one of the handles and then drag for the new crop. We will see exactly how the photo will be printed at the lab. As the crop changes on the image, notice how the crop of each item changes as well. Next, input the subject's personal information. We'll input the name of Jim Smith, so input Jim, press the Tab key, and then Smith. Below the last name is a field called Other. The Other field allows us to input information to later sort the photographs as we deliver them to the league or coach. For this example, we'll input the team name. When orders are placed for a different team, we would input that team's name in this field. In addition to the team name, we could instead input the coach's name, a team color, and so forth. Scroll down to the area below the image. From here, we can open the image in Adobe Photoshop, apply corrections, then save the file as a JPEG, and the adjusted file will be sent to Millers for printing. In addition, we can add Millers Remove Blemishes by selecting the blemish removal option here. An additional cost of $2.50 for each image will be added to the order. When finished with the subject, click the floppy disk Save icon. Cropping, packages ordered, subject information, etc. will be saved and the screen cleared. Repeat the same steps for the next subject by double-clicking on the next image. As we order the next subject's photos, notice how the crop box remembers and applies the same crop from the previous image. By doing this, all we have to do is tweak the crop for each image. Let's order package B for this player by selecting the package from the pull-down menu or typing in the letter B. Package B contains standard print items as well as specialty items including a memory mate that requires a group photo. Locate the team photo, then drag and drop the image into this opening. Any item in our package requiring the group photo will now be complete. As with the subject's photo, we can also crop the group photo for how it is to be printed. Next, input the player's first and last name, the team name in the other field, and complete the rest of the fields with their personal information, including the custom option of the batting average. Select the memory mate, and the information we input is applied to this item as well. The same for the magazine cover with its name printed here. So far, we've been cropping the subject's photo for all the items in the package. However, we can also apply a special crop to specific items. Click on the double-sided trader cards and drag the crop box to a tighter crop. This crop will only be applied to this item. Click on the button to view the back side of the trader card. We can also change the crop on this image or change the image to a different photo entirely. Just drag and drop a different image to here, and now we have different images on the front and back of our trader card. We can also apply a crop specific to the magazine cover. As before, we have the option to send the images to Photoshop, add blemish removal, which we'll add to this photo, and click OK. Save the order as before, and we are ready for the next photo. As we place orders for each image, notice the green check marks of each thumbnail. This is a visual indicator of which files we have ordered from and which files we have not. Select another photo and order packages A and C for this subject. As multiple packages are ordered, they are listed on the left side of the window. Here is package C, and above it is package A. Crop the image file for the client's order. Again, we can apply special crops to any of the items ordered. Click the bag tag item and adjust the crop. We'll do the same for the photo button. And again, we'll crop the game day ticket as well. Input the subject's personal information, their name, the team name in the other field, then his jersey number, position played, his hometown, etc. Again, we can send the image to Photoshop, add blemish removal, and click Save to save the client's order. In the upper right corner, we have the Open Run Sheet option. This feature will display a summary of what has been ordered so far. Here we have Jim Smith, White Sox, the individual image for items ordered, the package ordered, and we can see blemish removal has been ordered here as well. Here we have Todd Wilson, his individual image, the photo for the items requiring a group image, and retouching. Here is Jeff Jones, package A, package C, but retouching was not ordered. We notice retouching was actually ordered by the client, but not ordered in the software. We can modify the subject's order by double-clicking on his row of data in the Open Run Sheet window. We are returned to this screen, click the blemish removal here, click OK, and then the floppy disk icon to save the information. Let's add one more player to our order. We'll order package A, and let's say he also wants an extra 507. To add the extra 507 to the order, click on the package pull-down menu and select the a la carte option at the bottom. This feature will allow us to order individual items in addition to our packages. And simply place a check mark in front of the items we want available via the a la carte list. When finished, click Done. From the a la carte list, select the 507 print size, and we have ordered our extra 507 for our subject. And as before, we will fill in the player's information and save the order. Next, click on Step 4, the Review tab, to review our order.